Hi everybody, I am Uriel Rodriguez and my campaign is called Let's Go Back. And it is inspired in a dynamic of global transformation, specifically the overpopulation in cities. Because nowadays, the majority of people worldwide is living in urban areas, while the countryside or rural areas are empty. So our food safety and environment are in risk because there aren't peasants in countryside. For this reason, our slogan is because a war with peasants is better than a war without them. So let me tell you a short history. I lived my childhood in a small farm. And then I left it. When I lived in my farm, my grandfather was left alone and very sad. And he told me an important statement or an important advice. He told me if we had understood the importance of peasants, we wouldn't taken care of this treasure. So I am of the opinion that it is an important problem. But what is the problem? The problem is overpopulation. See you. In 1980, World Bank explained that growth of world population continued rapidly. Now we are near 8 billion. So, for example, 220 years ago, we were 1 billion. Then, near 1990, we were 5 billion. I wish we should stop there, but the humankind continued to grow up rapidly. Now we are near 8 billion. So there are a big series, a super series. In 2021, United Nations found that 32 cities had 18% of world population. They must have been worried about the countryside. In our context or in near context, Bogota, for example. In Bogota, there are 8 millions of people. But these 8 millions lives in 50% of the space because another 50% is empty, like a Sumapaz, Usme, or rural part of Chapinero. So the trends said that Colombia can be a rural country. Although some experts say that Colombia is a rural country, it is a lie. Because rural Colombia may be empty in 2040. These figures explained more details about the Colombia has been transformation rapidly. In 1930, we were mainly rural country, but now according to the census 2018, Colombia is a mainly urban country. So the countryside in Colombia is empty, and consequence of this reality is our food safety is in risk. If only Colombia had half population in countryside, problem will stop. It's possible. So let's go back, which we will return to countryside. Now let's go back. Pretend this aim, yes, or goals. First, to increase awareness about significance of come back to live in countryside. Also, to generate experience working together in peasant farms. And to encourage urban people to consider countryside as a possibility in their future. So Our mission is to show that we might be better in countryside. If you work in countryside, you will food safety always. We wish you never had forgotten your origins, because countryside is peace, countryside is quiet. In countryside, you could live in quiet, in peace, in harmony with the nature and the animals, even your pets or your mascots. So our advice is let's go back and follow us in www.letsgoback.com, on Instagram, let's go back, and on Facebook, let's go back. Call. Thanks.